Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Prashant Chatra. Once again I'm coming back to you mainly for the ICSE students, and today once again I want to revise, that is patterns. That you all know the patterns are very interesting and very much important for council examinations. So before going to start my class, once again this is my request, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the notification. So let us start our class, and today I will do the revisional work, and this is mainly the nested loop work. You already have learned in class 9. So once again I want to revise this one, because you may get one question from this chapter also in nested from the nested loop. One pattern you may get in ICSE. So let us see a basic concept I will give you today for revision. If I get time, again I will give you one more class for on patterns. So let us see now the basics, how you will write the pattern. You see that I have written these 3 patterns. Okay, 3 basic patterns I have written. Very simple these are. Okay, so mainly you will get in council this type of shape, and you will get square and rectangle type. These are the mainly the patterns formed in ICSE 2026. Now let's see the first one. The question number 1 I want to solve. You see this is a triangle. This triangle, how you will get? You see that constant value. These are all I have done. This and this are the constant value, and these are changing. Let's see the first question. Question number 1. You see that public static void main. Number of rows. How many rows? Number of rows equal to 3. You see that 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2 I. If you write this I here, if you write this I here, that means it will give you a shape. If everything is same, 1, 3, I plus plus, 1, this is change, and J plus plus, this will give you the shape like this. This will give you the shape like this. You see that the constant value inner loop, all the time it should be print, not ln, and outer loop you see that there is ln. And this 2 part is very important. Don't write here print ln, otherwise everything will come in one vertical line. So let's see what is this. I equal to 1, 2, 3. When I equal to 1, just you are coming inside, this loop will work. I value equal to 1. So it will start from 1, it will end at 1. That means once it will work, computer, you show me this line, system.out.print, this asterisk sign. This asterisk sign means this one will be printed. So you see that print, the cursor is waiting here. To bring down the cursor, we have to do what? This is the line system dot. So this loop will work only once. You are coming down, and system.out.println, because of this println, cursor is ready in the next line. Your cursor is ready in the next line. So again you are coming like this. This is I is 2. This time I is 2 means this loop, this line will work 2 times. You see that 2 asterisk sign, this and this cursor is waiting here. Now again you are coming outside, you are getting this line, your cursor is in the next line, then go back. This I is 3. You can understand this time inner loop will work 3 times. This asterisk sign will be printed. So this is what, this is the first pattern we are getting like this. So what is this? If you write I here, then we will get like this. If you write 3 here, 1 to 3, 1 to 3, then you will get the square shape. If you write 3 here, a constant value, not I, if you write 3, what you will get? You will get a square shape. 3 by 3 matrix you will get. You will get 3 by 3 matrix. But now I have written I. Now you will check that the question number 2, we will make the question number 2. Question number 2, you see that how we will make the question number 2. Question number 2 is very simple. What we will do? This one we will not write here. We will write what? We will write, that is 3. Here we will write 3, and here we will write I. That is important. We will write I here. So this will be here. So that time you will get the shape like this. Why it is coming like this? Suppose once again let us understand. This is the question number 2 I am explaining. Now question number 2, pattern number 2. So I equal to 1, just come inside. I is 1 means 1, 2, 3. This loop will work 3 times. This asterisk sign. 1, 2, 3. This 3 asterisk sign. Okay. So the loop is taking start from 1. That's why the 3 asterisk sign. After that, cursor is coming in the next line. So going back, I is becoming 2. So this loop is starting from 2. That means 1 time less. 1 time less means this will work 2 times. So this and this will work. So after that, cursor is waiting here. Going back, println, cursor is set in the next line. Going back, I will be 3. Come here. You are taking start from 3. 3 means once again you are coming here, and this asterisk sign will be printed only once. So this is the second pattern we have done. How? This is the second pattern we have done. So very simple, the pattern, if you can understand in this way, it will be very much simpler. Now we have printed in constant format. Now we will see that the numbers we are changing. We can do in various way a pattern. I am showing in this method. That doesn't means you have to follow this. You can solve this problem in another alternative way using the ASCII values also. Now let's see, this one I will solve. This one, you see the question number 3, I am going to solve the question number 3. This question number 3, you see what is written? 65, 65, 65. All the lines, this shape, same program. This program means I want this shape. To get this shape, question number 3, you see that this is the shape. This program will give you this shape. This program will give you the same shape. But the numbers, here we are getting the numbers. So you see that numbers. Each and every line, the character, same character it's printing. So first line 65 means all these characters are 65. Second line 66, all the characters are 66. What you will do, before starting of this loop, I will write another line. You see that what you will write, one more line addition work I will do. What is that? Please check. What is that? INT, this is column equal to 65, semicolon. I am doing this way. So what you will do, don't write anything here, just write here C. Just write here C. So sorry, this should be different, that is C. All the time that the row is changing. Here row is changing. I'll take the variable here. INT row equal to 65, and that row we will print like this. So this loop, whenever this loop will work, this loop will work, that is 65. Now we will change here, row equal to row plus 1. So if you write this line extra after printing 65, means this all these values, we after coming out from this inner loop, we are increasing this R value, 65 becoming 66. That 66, next time whenever we will start the inner loop once again. So this loop will, outer loop will work 3 times. So first time it has printed all these values 65. Second time whenever it will come, it will be 66. So all the values will be 66. Third time whenever it will come, so 66 will become 67. Only once it will print. So you know this, if you write I here, we will get this shape. But to get this number, I have written one variable outside int r equal to 65, and that 65 we are printing it here. This variable we are changing it outside the inner loop, between these two. Okay, this is important. Between these two we are writing. Now we will go for the problem number 4. Question number 4, you see this was the question number 3, and now we will do the question number 4. Question number 4 is nothing. We don't have to work so hard. Let's see what you will do. What we have written, everything, whatever you are writing for question number 3, to get the question number 4, what you will write, only you convert this character. ASCII value of A 65, ASCII value of B 66, ASCII value of C is 67. So what you will do, you will write here CHAR, only this much. Everything is same, other thing will be same. I will show you all these 4 problems in computer, then it will be clear. Okay, one by one I will show you all the program. Check it. The first problem I am showing you. Check the first problem what I am showing you. Please check it properly. The question number 1. Question number 1. You see the question number 1 and 1, 2, 3 and I have written it here. That means it will do the triangle shape, constant value, and print ln, here only print. So compile, no syntax error, close, right click, void main, check. This is your answer. What the program and what the answer, you can see it, you can see side by side. So I think it is clear. You see that whenever this I will write it here, it will get the shape like this. If you write this I here and if you write 3 here, then we will get some different shape. Let's see the second question. The second question is, I will write question number 2. Question number 2 is, here we will write 3, here we will write I. You see that this is the question number 2. Suppose question number 2, I am changing the class name, it's close question number 2, right click, check. This is the question number 2. This is question number 2. You can check what is changed, only this part have changed. So I think you can understand where I am changing and what is the effect we are getting. This is the constant value. So okay, question number 2 is done. Question number 3 I will do. What question number 3 I will do? I will write this same programming, this same code. Only I will check 65. What I have to write? INT. I told you I will write INT R row. It is 65. It is 65. And then here I will write R. Here I will write R. And here I will change R equal to R plus 1. Check. Very simple. We don't have to change so much. Only a simple extra variable I have taken. That one we are printing. And that one we are changing outside the inner loop. So you can compile this question number 3 answer. We will get like this 65. Check. This is 65, 65, 65. No space is given. That's why it's printing like this. Okay. So this is the program. Now if you want to convert this one to ASCII value, means question number 4. If you want to show question number 4, what you will do? Just write char, CHR, char. Control K, check. We will get the question number 4. Right click, void main, check. Question number 4 we are getting. So this is the way that we are getting this question solution. So this is the patterns we are getting. This 4 basic patterns I am explaining. So after this we will get lot more patterns, but we don't have sufficient time to revise all these things. Only this much I am explaining today. If I get time, definitely I will upload one more class on patterns. Okay, I have given one constructor class because I don't have sufficient time to upload because your exam is coming soon. So up to this much, if I get time, definitely I'll upload 1 or 2 classes on this, or as well as the constructor if I get time. Okay, up to this much is today. So I will do one more class on this. I will try. So till then, goodbye.